The DRD5S redefines what's possible for a surface mount downlight. Packed with technical breakthroughs, the ultra-thin DRD5S matches the elegance of a high-end recessed downlight. It has been thoughtfully engineered to be efficient, easy to maintain, and as you will see here, make light work of installation. In addition to our 4-inch round and 4-inch square, you may even want to expand beyond the downlight. With our new 8-inch round and 18-inch linear modules, perfect for kitchens and corridors. Regardless of which size, shape, or style you choose, all DRD5S modules install the exact same way. For your safety, before routing any wires or preparing any electrical leads, make sure that all power to the luminaire is turned off. Locate the fixture position. Once you've located your fixture position, install bar hanger ends to the wooden joist by hammering in the 4 factory installed nails. Next, adjust the horizontal position of the junction box by sliding it along the bar hangers. Lock the horizontal position by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the bar hanger holder and twisting to deform holder so junction box cannot slide. Determine the center position of the fixture as you would with any can light so you can mark it on your drywall. Once the drywall is installed, mark the center point using the measurements you recorded in the previous step. Then grab your rotary saw with the tracing bit attached. Remember again to adjust your rotary bit to extend no more than 1/8 of an inch beyond the drywall. You're going to start at the center point that you've marked on your drywall and cut a straight line to the edge of the housing. Then stop cutting and jump to the outside of the housing. Cutting along the inside will not work, so jumping to the outside is essential. You shouldn't have to go far. Take a second to locate the outside edge. Once you have, simply go ahead and follow it all the way around. For the most precise results, follow along the outside edge as closely as possible. Loosen the 2 nuts inside the junction box. Doing this allows us to adjust the vertical position by moving the junction box up and down. Make sure no part of the junction box sits below the drywall, even if the drywall itself is slightly uneven. Once it's flush with the ceiling, you can lock the vertical position by retightening the nuts. Again, make sure that all power to the luminaire is turned off. Once you've prepared the electrical leads for connection, screw the mounting bracket to the junction box with the 2 screws included. Attach the ground wire. Connect the line and neutral wires on the module. Push the module into the junction box. A slight nudge will be enough to lock it into place. And there you have it, the look and performance of a recessed light at an affordable price in an easy-to-install package. For more information on the DRD5S, please visit us at dmflighting.com or check out our showcase video, where we illustrate the many features of the DRD5S in more detail. Thanks for watching.